The letter you see on the screen is pronounced as nya. It's quick, Nya. It is used in writing words like jnana, meaning knowledge. There it is used in combination with another alphabet, Z, as used in Japan. Then the pronunciation becomes DNYA. So you need to take care. I'll show you how it's written in word jnana. As you see on the screen, Nya comes over here, shown with red arrow, pointed with red arrow, and Z is above. So it becomes Jnana. Pronunciation also I have shown. This alphabet is T, as in Tata. This alphabet is Th, as in thunder. Many people speak as thunder, as in thumbs up, but this is thunder. Also remember the dot in the middle is very important because there is another letter where this dot is missing. This letter is pronounced as D. Many Indian cities like Chandigarh, they end with this letter. This is pronounced as D. Please remember, Bala should be prominent and it should be touching this curve. Just to show that it is touching, I have drawn on the whiteboard. This is na. It does not have any similar pronunciation in English, so you need to be careful. This letter is used in Bana, meaning arrow. While pronouncing, you need to roll your tongue a little bit up and touch above the upper part of your teeth, front teeth. So inside your mouth, you need to roll and speak this alphabet. No, there is another letter which is pronounced as N. So these are two different letters. This letter is T, as in Taekwondo. Now, if you see, this part is not touching the talekattu. So when you write, the talekattu should not be touching this knot over here, this knot. So you need to take above and then draw talekattu. There is a gap. That's why I have shown it with red arrow. This letter is Th, as in Thailand. I have shown with a red arrow that bala or tail should be touching the curve, and there is a dot in the middle. It should be prominent so that it is visible without much effort. This alphabet is the, as in Damascus. This is the, as in Indian city, Dhanbad. Again, bala should be touching the curve. This is na, as in Nepal. The alphabet you see on the screen is P, as in parade. This alphabet is F, as in funny or final. If you see, there is only slight difference between P and F. This is P, as in parade, and when you add bala or tail, it becomes F. You see this bala, this is added, that's it, and then it becomes F. This alphabet is B, as in butter. Now please remember these two levels, it should be similar. Many writers draw this curve at this point, they end at this point. It shouldn't happen. You should take it properly up. This letter is B, as in Bhutan, neighboring country of India. Again, there is a small Talekattu as well as Bala over here. Both are present in this letter. This is Ma, as in Malaysia. Again, in this letter, there is Talekattu, and this next curve, it should be touching. Please remember, it should be touching.